Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is find the order of rotational symmetry in the given image. And we have given one image here. A figure is said to have a rotational symmetry if it fits onto itself more than once during a full turn, that is rotating around 360 degree. Around 360 degree. And how many times it matches as we go once around is called its order. Now here we can observe the given figure has 7 order of rotation. Hence, the given figure has rotational symmetry of order 7.